y'all, it's me, Deirdre, aka Raindrops. And if you're new here, welcome. And if you are a returning drop, what it do, girl? You see me back to black. So in this video, I'm just gonna tell you what I did, and I'll be inserting clips of what I did to achieve this look, as you can tell by the thumbnail and title. Y'all, this is so cute. This is not what I wanted. I was trying to do another style that I saw this girl do on Instagram, and the particular hair that she used, I had one, as you'll see in the video, but the other one they did not have at the store. I think I would have had to order it online. Also, I have a cold, so don't mind the voice. So we started out here. I'm gonna put the video on this side, but we started out here with my blonde hair. You know, back in March, I cut my hair again, just a spur of the moment thing, and then I also bleached it right after. But my curl, I did not need to bleach it to a pale yellow because I knew I was gonna color my hair sienna brown. First I did copper brown, and then I went to sienna brown. So the color faded after the last 2 months, and I let it get back down to the yellow goldish tone that it was. Again, you'll see here in the video, and that is how I took so my anniversary picture, I'll insert that picture, but that is the color of, as you can see, the gold. That is what I just took out of my hair, just some kinky twists, and I knew I was gonna, you know, braid or twist my hair back up right afterwards. But I really didn't feel like doing the color over top of the gold, and then I did not want to tone my hair to get my ash blonde, the signature ash blonde that I usually wear back and forth when I wear my blonde hair. I just didn't feel like I said, keeping up with it. Same thing I did last year and earlier when I, you know, cut it. I didn't want to have to do the maintenance and the upkeep of the purple shampoo and retoning it every few months after the, you know, the ash blonde fades. And so what I did was, I'm like, I haven't had black hair in years. My hair is not black, it's dark brown, and it has tinges of red in it at times. It's a lighter brown mixed in. So I've never had black hair, and when I have, I had to color it black. But I have not done that in a decade or so, at least 2. I have not had black hair outside of me, you know, putting in the 1B when I do my twist, and it blends right in because, again, my hair is dark brown, and when you put product on, it makes it look darker. So I decided to go ahead and color. I'll show you the box dye because it's in my trash can, and I can't, I don't want to go back in there and get it. But I opted to do the Clairol box, but in order for me to get that process done, I am a hairstylist. I went to school. I told you guys, went to hair school. I didn't take it in high school. When I graduated, and after I had my firstborn, I was like 19, 20 years old, and I went to cosmetology school here in Virginia, and I graduated in '93. And I just been doing hair before I went to school and ever since. So when you attempt to color your hair black, if you have bleached it, and I went through this decades ago when I first did it and realized my hair turned green after I had bleached my hair and then tried to color it black. In order for you to color your hair black, recolor it over blonde, you need to add pigment back into the strands, because once you bleach your hair, there's no color, no pigment left in the strand. So what I did was take, the other 2 are in the trash, sorry y'all, but this is wild cherry. I mixed wild cherry, trash can is right here and it's sitting right on top. I used the sienna brown and the copper brown. I mixed all three of these together to get me a red, not a bright red, but just a deep enough red. I let it sit on for 20 to 30 minutes just so it would penetrate, so when I washed my hair and washed it out, that most of it, you know, will come out but not fade all the way back down to the blonde or anything. So my hair was red. I think I had a clip of that and I'll show you guys. And then once my hair air dried, I just picked it out and then I applied the box dye over top and we got black. So a lot of my edges is left out and it took perfectly. So the hairstyle, let's get to that. You'll see it in the video as well. This is the Bohemian curl crochet hair, and I had the double strand. I can't think right now sitting here, but you'll see it in the video. And I used both of those pieces. I'll show you as well the size, and I'm also showing you how I installed a couple of the pieces. When I bought the hair, it was 12 inches. I did not want all that hair around my neck, so I opted to cut the hair in half, and hence this is about 10 to 8 inches. And yeah. styled it. And as you can see, y'all, so when I started the hair, it was Memorial Day. Today is May 30th. I did this on the 27th. I started everything, the color and all of that. And then I started the install the same night, but it was late. It took me a day and a half to finish. As you can see, these are the braids. They are very small. And I opted to do that. Again, I'm going to keep this in here for at least a month, just like I do all of my other twists and braids. And yeah, it came out really cute. I really like the, you know, the curl, how they fluff back out. The reason that I use the double strand, oh my God, why can't I think? It's not the Marley hair, but it's similar to it. And I cut that in half as well, and you saw that I used the smaller strands. I just wanted to give it a more kinkier texture than the Bohemian curl by itself, because it would look extra shiny, and I didn't want that. I wanted it to kind of look, you know, as natural as possible. So yeah, just gonna do a 360. And yeah, so cute little summer style, because summer is gonna be here in a few weeks. Get your hair off your neck, still give you a little bit of volume. Then let me tell y'all about this. I was lazy as fuck. By the time I kept getting closer and closer to the sections that were getting like right up in here, I didn't have that much to go. I was tired, y'all. I was over it. I was like, if I had left this out, it would have been probably about 25, 30 more braids up in here. So I just opted to do 2 cornrows, and then stuck my little jewels in and call it a day. So yeah, this is the style. I hope you guys think that is cool, you know, you like it. And yeah, we're gonna be rocking this twist, different types of twists. I'll show you guys when I do change my style, getting my hair to grow back, because as you can see, yes, my hair is long enough to braid, twist it in, and I'm just gonna keep doing this until I get to the length that I want, such as I always do when I cut my hair. So if you're new here, you like my vibe, this type of content, please go ahead, hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you'll be notified every time I upload. Leave a like, helps to get my video pushed into the algorithm so more people can see it. Leave a comment. Definitely share the video, because sharing is caring. And I will see you ladies in my next video. Peace.